In this video, I'm going to share with you some elements of good product review videos. When you make good product review videos, then you can make more money. You will attract more brands that want to pay you to review their products. You will have brands that rehire you and continue to send you products and pay you to make those videos on the products. And if you are trying to make commissions with the Amazon Influencer Program, you should also be making more commissions because more people will be wanting to watch your videos. My name is Rachel Esley and I am a content creator. I am a user-generated content creator making videos for other brands. And I make videos on my own social media accounts talking about how I am making money online. And some of my favorite income streams right now is product review videos, which is a form of user-generated content, and passive income affiliate commissions from the Amazon Influencer Program, also making product review videos. Typically, videos I make for a client who is paying me to make them a video, I will put in some more effort versus the videos I'm just making of items around my house to put up on Amazon Influencer. But a lot of times these brands will hire me and my students to make them a review video, pay us for it, but also have us upload it to our Amazon Influencer account, and we make commissions from that. It's great to be paid both ways. I think a very important element of product review videos is the video a face video, a faceless video, or is it a combo of you showing your face in the video and showing close-up B-roll shots? Oftentimes, when a brand does hire you to make a video for their products, they will want you in the video. This is not always required. It's not in every video, and not every video is you actually talking to the camera. A lot of brands will want a live model in the video demonstrating the product, but not necessarily speaking. And then there's also brands that are okay with just hands in the video or no person or arms or hand in the video. Sometimes the brands will want footage of you using the product and then put a voiceover on top explaining the product. Lots of brands want a combo of this. They want some shots of you talking to the camera and then the rest with B-roll shots or voiceover. So it's very important to get clear with your prospective client on which type of video do they want. Now with Amazon influencer videos with items just laying around your house, I personally oftentimes do faceless videos. I just grab my phone, hold up the product, and just get some footage and start talking about the product. Now this is not as powerful as actually demonstrating the product. So this is lip gloss. It would actually be a more powerful and probably higher converting video for me to take the phone, prop it up, and get some footage of actually using the lip gloss. Now you may want to do both videos. You may do one version where you're not in the video and another where you are. But if you want to attract clients, you want to make sure that in your sample portfolio, you do have some examples of you on camera, of you talking to the screen holding the product. These videos do need to be decent quality. Most phones are just fine. You can record in 1080p on your phone. I would not record in anything less than that, like 720. And there's really no need to record these videos in 4K. I record lots of videos here on this iPhone 12. The back camera is higher quality than recording with the front camera. You will also want decent lighting. Natural lighting is great in front of a window, but you can also supplement the lighting with a ring light. I have a big ring light up right here. I personally also have a smaller ring light and a couple panel lights just because I've collected them from over the years. But if you are just getting started, you can just use natural light or invest in a small ring light. You also want decent audio. This doesn't mean that you need an external microphone. The microphone that's just built into your phone is probably fine, but by decent audio, I mean, be sure to turn off the air conditioner or the heater. If you have any fans or air purifiers running, turn that off so there's no buzzing sound. Some videos make sense to record outside, just be careful that it's not too windy. When you are editing a video in CapCut, you can click on the noise reduction feature, and this will help get rid of some background noise. Most product review videos are short and concise. Usually for clients, I am making 30-second or 60-second or 2-minute videos, but I have done some that are longer. And then for items around my house, I put on Amazon Influencer. I try to aim for at least 60 seconds. You want to make sure to highlight the features and the benefits of the product. A great thing is that the features and benefits are already listed in the bullet points of the Amazon listing. You can also take a look at the product's website to get an idea of some things to talk about. Usually the brand will want you to talk about the main things at the top of their website or the top of their page. Sometimes brands will send a list of points they want you to make. In your product review videos, you don't want it to sound like you're reading off of a script. So try not to write a script, just have some bullet points. You can go take a look at your notes, say your point, go back, go forth, and then cut out the pauses and cut out the mistakes. When you are making a client video, definitely don't talk about any cons of the product or anything you didn't like. And then when you're making videos for your own Amazon influencer, I also don't really see the point of talking about things you don't like because you want people to watch the video and actually buy. That's how you're going to make the commission. So if you really don't like a product, then just don't make a video about it. It's important in your videos to speak clearly. You don't want to be mumbling. It's okay if you have an accent, but just try to enunciate your words. Don't talk too slow or you're going to bore people. And don't talk too fast because you're just going to sound crazy. I did talk a bit before about just showing footage of the product versus actually using the product, and it is better to actually use the product. Let's say you have a dumbbell like I do right here. Well, I have done videos where the dumbbells were just on the ground or just with my hands, and I recorded a video talking about it, and those do not perform as well as actually using the product. So you can do both, but for a client, you definitely want to be using the product. Unless they hire you to specifically do an unboxing video / first reaction video. This is where you just take the items out of the box, just hold them up to the camera, and talk about the product but not actually use it. You are also going to need to know, is this a horizontal video or a vertical video? If you're working with a client, you just want to verify this. Oftentimes for Amazon videos, which is what brands will hire you for, they want a horizontal video. But there's lots of brands that also want vertical videos. They plan to upload the videos to TikTok and Instagram Reels, social media. Might as well upsell the client on 2 versions. For my own Amazon influencer videos, I'm mostly doing horizontal right now, but a lot of times people love to do vertical videos to put on the Inspire feature on Amazon, and a lot of times Amazon gives extra commission and bonus incentives for uploading vertical videos. Something that I've noticed a lot lately is a lot of times brands will reach out to me and they'll say they want a review video, but they really want a demo video. And by that, they really mean they want a listing video for their Amazon listing. Now, these videos usually don't have talking. They just have B-roll. They'll have some background music and maybe some text on the screen throughout. And that is fine. I am happy to make those videos. I would say they do take a little longer to make than actually just sitting in front of the camera, holding a product, talking about it. You do have to capture some more B-roll shots and place the text correctly. So therefore, you can charge more for those videos. Also, sometimes brands will want a more viral style, TikTok style, fast-paced video that they can use on social media or for social media ads. These also take a bit more effort to make than just simple talking to the camera videos, so therefore you can also charge more. I have put together a free guide on how to profit from product review videos, so if you want to go more in depth on how you can make money being a user-generated content creator and making these simple, short videos for brands, then be sure to download the free guide in the link below in my description. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or what you want to learn more about. And be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel. I also have other videos on this channel about making money online, content creation, affiliate marketing, user-generated content, product review videos. So be sure to check those out, and I'll see you in the next video.